Okay, here's a lamp post that I had all apart to fix the wiring. We had some wiring problems inside, and it's cast aluminum, and the bolts go in to cast aluminum right here. And here's a tip I'm going to show you. This bolt went in, and we first tried to snug it up with the wrench, and it's stripped. It's totally stripped. Okay, there, I can snug it with my fingers, but there we go. And there's nothing there. It just, there we go, she's loose again. See? So, I'll show you my little tip. I've showed this in other videos, but here's another practical use. Set that aside for a minute. So, here we are. Here's our lamp post. And, oh, wait a minute. I need that. I'll show you just a sec. So, I just broke my toothpick in half because I don't really need all of it. I'm just trying to do this without losing it. Stick that in the hole. Put a bolt in there, like so. It's kind of a little difficult to do with one hand. Okay, you see the little toothpicks alongside my bolt there. Just have to get this started, so I'm going to give her a little persuasion here. Get her reasonably straight. Alright. Get our wrench, and we need a little bit of pressure on top. Get it started threading in here. There we are. Don't want to over tighten it. But that little filler of wood has allowed me to get some tension on my bolt, which was pretty well stripped. I could have almost pulled it out of the hole. Here's another little tip here. Oh man, I can do another project yet. Anyway, this is Ray from the Handyman's Haven. You can use this tip on just about any bolt, screw, whatever that has been stripped. Just fill it up a little bit with the toothpick. Okay, until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.